I wanted to do a review on this machine because the instruction booklet doesn't really make it clear how to plug it in, and I actually took the first one back. So you'll see this plug here, and that's for the fan, and that's what I got. I got so confused. So that goes into this outlet, and then there's an extra cord here, and that goes here and plugs in. So you have the fan, and then you have this lights that sometimes you have to reset. But I was just plugging this top part in to like the outlet, and the fan was going, but the light wasn't working, so I actually returned it. But this company needs to probably have better instructions. They're a foreign company, so that's probably part of the problem. And I'm happy with this. I do notice that if you go to the fill line, which produces a gallon of water, it can overflow a little bit on here. I like that this is glass. I like that the cavity is stainless steel. This is the brand Rovsun. And it takes 4 hours, and the water tastes nice and soft, nice and delicate. And then I add sometimes these trace mineral drops. And I was thinking if I wanted to make more water, I could store it in like a very heavy plastic water jug container. The ones that you buy at the store in distilled water, like the gallon jugs, are very thin plastic, and that's for sure absorbing in your water. So the first set of water, you just use like a tap water and run it through, because you're not going to drink the first preparation. But then this one, what I do is I fill it up with reverse osmosis water and then run it through, because anything from the tap sort of is overwhelming nowadays. So that's how I get like a pure, the most pure to my conscience, where I feel at rest with it. I just, honestly, anything tap water, I'd rather not drink. So I will go through the process of getting it in reverse osmosis and then distilling it. And then here is like a charcoal, looks like a tea bag that goes in here. I don't want to pull that down, that you change out. And then they have like a cleaning powder, but you can use vinegar to run that through the machine or to clean the cavity. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It was only $100, $100 and something dollars, or maybe it was $126, which I think is a great price. I would have paid more. And now the reason I got into it is because I met up with some friends, and they're quite a bit older, and I noticed they look so healthy, and they were going on about distilled water and how good it is for cleansing and purity. And they did emphasize to buy these trace mineral drops, which I did. I don't put it in every single glass that I drink, but I do use them, and I understand because distilled water can leach the minerals. Distilled water is also amazing for houseplants. I've been able to keep my azalea and rosebush indoor plants doing really, really well with distilled water. So I'll leave it at that. I can't really think of too much else, but I wanted to do a review on this machine and also explain how it plugs in, because if I took it back, I'm sure this company is dealing with so many returns on this and people not understanding. So that's it. I wish you health, and I'll end it here.